24 gana 2025 manyo somo dichieng' manyoro gi jatend migawo mar omenda Njuguna Ndung'u. Kwame Owino ma en jalony weche mag ochumi okwayo oganda ma pacho ka mondo rid okanda kaluwore gi pek mar ngima, komedo ni piny owacho ok oikore mar duoko chien kwan mag omenda mosebedo ka otiyo godo e pok mar bilion 400 mabiro dhi ne sirikande mag loch gwenge. Hik omenda 2024 2025 ka bende jolony ma kamago wacho ni ok en pok mamalo ma piny owacho osechiwo ne counties. Wira ni omenda ma kamago eko osebed kichwalo ne counties modeko. Higa mar 2019-2020 gimedo wacho ni piny owacho mondo mi ochul gope mane gintiere godo mag johala e saa mowinjore, kaluwore ni mano ema osebedo ka medo gope mag piny owacho.
Of Economic Affairs is for Kenyans to understand that really times are tight, and government is unprepared to cut a lot of expenditures, and therefore that's why there's a bridging that is required from the new finance bill. He mentioned in that speech that the finance bill is passed so that an additional 340 billion shillings will be raised. It is also not true that this is the highest income that county governments have received, because in 2017, or rather in 2019, if you consider inflation amounts that have occurred, and since then inflation has really been high, last year inflation was close to 10%, then the amount of money given to counties this year is barely equivalent to what counties received in 2019.
Pending bills, to some extent, contribute to the issue of public debt. Our accounting officers should make sure that we are paying our suppliers and our contractors on time, because failure to do that, it affects the overall